Hey there, as you may or may not have seen yet, there is a new type of campaign in the app. It's called indaHash Deal. It's for you, our beloved indaHash influencers, where you get huge and exclusive discounts on products and services in exchange for your posts. It's exactly that. Businesses offer you, influencers, exclusive discounts on products and services in exchange for you to promote those products or services on your social media profiles. A good old-fashioned win-win. So if you're an indaHash influencer, basically here's how it works. A business will create an indaHash deal campaign for a product or service, and it will go straight into the indaHash campaign page in the indaHash app. Take note, deal campaigns are marked with a pink triangle with the amount of the discount that you'll get for that campaign. Now you can go into the campaign, check out the task, check out the product, go to the website itself, check out what the company's all about, and if you're interested in the exchange, click I want to exchange. Then, and this is important, the brand will have to approve influencers that will receive the discount code. So just because you signed up doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get the code. And if you're accepted, you'll be notified and you'll be able to find the campaign in your My Campaigns tab inside the app. Obviously, then you want to buy the product or service, but keep in mind that your code is only active for the amount of time that it says inside the campaign. So it's either 7, 14, or 21 days, and you've got to use the code within that time or you're going to miss out. Once you receive the product or try the service, you're going to want to create a post as soon as possible. So whether it's an unboxing, a flat lay, a selfie, or whatever else, just make sure you have that right hashtags, tags, and caption appropriately. Then you can go straight to Instagram and post your content to your followers. So once you're done posting, you're going to want to copy a link to your post and paste it back into the indaHash app. This last step is really important, but once you've finished it, you're all done, you've completed your indaHash deal campaign. But bear in mind, brands can reach out to you if they want you to change the caption, for example, or even the content. So make sure that your contact info is up to date in the indaHash app. Once everything is all said and done, brands have the chance to rate their cooperation with you from 1 to 5 stars. Basically like Uber for influencers. So that's indaHash deal campaigns. We're really looking forward to score some great deals for you guys, and we're really looking forward to see what you guys will create in return. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. And until then, have some fun. I'll see you around. Happy campaigning.